Today we're going to learn about converting measurements into meters and centimeters. We often need to convert between different units of measurement in scientific and everyday life. Let's explore how to do that with some clear examples. Okay, first let's talk about our reference unit, the meter. A meter is our baseline, which many other units are derived from. When we deal with kilometers, we're talking about thousands of meters. This means 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. On the other hand, when we deal with centimeters, a centimeter is 1/100th of a meter, which means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. These are important conversion factors to remember. Let's start by converting kilometers to meters. Our first example is converting 5 kilometers to meters. Since 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, to convert 5 kilometers, we multiply by 1,000. So 5 times 1,000 equals 5,000 meters. Therefore, 5 kilometers equals 5,000 meters. Now let's convert millimeters to meters. For example, let's convert 750 millimeters to meters. We recall that 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters. So, to convert millimeters to meters, we divide the millimeters by 1,000. 750 divided by 1,000 is 0.75. Therefore, 750 millimeters is 0.75 meters. How about converting micrometers to meters? If we want to find out how many meters 500,000 micrometers is, we use our conversion factor. Since 1 micrometer is 1/1 millionth of a meter, we'll divide 500,000 by 1 million. When you do the math, it's equal to 0.5 meters. Therefore, 500,000 micrometers is 0.5 meters. Now let's look at converting centimeters to meters. If we have 200 centimeters, our goal is to convert that into meters. Since we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, we divide 200 by 100. 200 divided by 100 is 2. Therefore, 200 centimeters is 2 meters. Let's summarize. The key to conversion is knowing the factor between units. Kilometers have a factor of 1,000 to meters. Millimeters are divided by 1,000 to find meters. Micrometers are divided by 1,000,000. And centimeters are divided by 100. Stay organized with units, watchful for errors, and converting measurements will become a smooth and straightforward process. Thank you for watching.